Hey besties, really quickly, I just want to pop in and say thank you so much for subscribing. We finally hit 200 subscribers. Yay! New here, please join the besties gang and hit that subscribe button. I will be posting more videos and we will be going live soon. Welcome back to my channel, bestie. We're just gonna do a few unboxings. Some things that I got from, or was it Shein actually? And I only spent like $5 on everything. I basically just needed to get some more chrome and what is it, like a UV light. We got some new chrome. I'm so excited. We'll do some white lines, kind of experiment with the powders. Secure that, and then it's curing. Okay, so that's good. All right, so what we're gonna do is open this. This is the UV light, so you don't need batteries, I'm assuming. Hopefully not. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yes. I can't remember how much this was, but I'm gonna put it down below so oh my god. So you guys can get one. This is so good. And it has like a little set timer. Wow, I'm in love. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna charge this. Yeah, we're gonna charge this. Okay, so we're gonna put this back in here and cure it. And then I'm curious to see how this is gonna turn out. Maybe some white. Yeah, but anyways, this is a hit. Get you one of these. We're gonna see how strong it is with curing diamonds and stuff, because I'm gonna put some diamonds on these nails. We wanna go live, because I hate having to pre-record videos and stuff. I just wanna stick to one platform and just post all my nail content, because I love doing nails. And I love buying stuff for nails. So I wanna do like live reviews and all this stuff. I think it'll be pretty cool. I have this light purple and a light pink color and white. We're gonna do some swirlies and play with this. So let's cure this. Oh my gosh, they're all so messy. All right, whatever. We're just gonna leave it like that.
I told you they are messy.
I don't know why they made them so messy.
How did you actually make them so messy? Did they spit the eyes, the fingers in it?
Wow, guys, look at this yellow. It's so pretty. Okay.
It makes a color from it.
Yes, now we're gonna try this blue. Yeah, see how messy? That's crazy. It's okay. We just got to be careful when we use these. We're going to put some blue on there. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
I think they're beautiful, right?
Yeah. And then we're going to try this purple one. This pretty purple. When you have nails.
A boy. What is
I wish they did better with this packaging though. Alright, so here's this purple, gorgeous purple. I think what we're gonna do is some French tips with this purple here. I think that would be beautiful. We are gonna use this one. It's Valentino top coat. Alright, these are the finished nails. Can someone please comment, what do you guys use when wiping your nails? I used to use that blue paper. Sit down. But I don't know how I feel anymore about it. Do we like though? Do we love these chrome colors? Okay, so we have these beautiful colors. I'm not gonna try these today, but we are gonna do something fun with this green color. I do want to make some press-on nails with this color, but we did get 24 of these different types of colors. These two look similar. Yeah, so we've got our golds, our bronzy colors. Yeah. Some reds. Purples, blues. Ooh, I love this blue. Purple here. Silver and green. I love. Let's open this one. Yeah. Huh?
How you doing nails?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, is someone supposed to get their nails done too?
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay. We get just a few little. I think I want to do a flower right here. Oops, be careful, Ava. Actually, I want a pink heart. Do they have a pink heart?
With us do it like that.
Or let's just do a star then. We'll just do a star. Alright, let's cure it. Let's use the thing. Oh, what the heck?
Why did you say a bad word?
I just said, what the heck?
Not a bad word, too.
No, it's not a bad word. Wow, we're back in business.
Day 2. Is it a board day still?
Is it a boring day still?
Yeah.
I mean, you're gonna start listening, right?
Yeah.
And being good?
Yeah.
Okay. Nope, it's not a boring day no more.
It's a little happy day.
It's a very happy day, yeah.
Yeah.
Every day is a happy day. Every day is a happy day. Actually, I just decided to wipe this red off. But yeah, so this is the finished look. We love a cute spring moment. The flowers are definitely my favorite. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget that subscribe button. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. And we'll see you in the next one.